So here we are now at the Newport Lofts rooftop deck with pool and spa. It's a glorious morning here in Las Vegas. Just gonna show you the view as I walk around the pool. Looking west now towards the World Market Center, the I-15, and of course Red Rock National Conservation Area with Red Rock Monument in the distance. Panning over to look south, you get to see the Las Vegas Strip. What a fantastic way to spend a day in Las Vegas at your rooftop deck with pool, spa, exercise room, and recreation room. And don't forget the jogging track. Let's get a shot over here of the spa.